with no little juke, made it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lashay, and today I'm back with something a little different. I haven't done natural hair videos since like 2018, and that's when I first started, well, getting back active on YouTube. But I'm back with another hair tutorial. I did this style, but before we get into this video, don't forget to give this video a fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and also comment down below what other styles should I do for natural hair. Like, what do you want to see me do? But yeah, let's get into this video. Hey guys, so in this part I'm just taking out the little scrunchies I had. I slept with them in 4 different sections the night before so I can lose like my curls because I want to do this hairstyle. So here I'm just taking those out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and part down the middle and then spritz my hair a little bit with water just to loosen it up and give it a little freshness. Yo, I'm not sure what they call this. I think it's called a rat tail comb. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But please let me know down below in the comment section. But here I'm just making sure my part's straight in the front at least, and kind of going down the back as straight as possible because I can't see behind my head. And then here I'm just using some Eco Styler Crystal Gel. I use this to go around the edges and to kind of lay down my hair to where it can look kind of somewhat smooth or smoother. I didn't apply much to my hands each time because I don't really want my hair caked up with so much gel. So I just kind of use small amounts all around to get it slick. And then after this clip, you'll see me brushing it up to kind of get it smooth. And this is like a hard bristle brush. I've had this since I was growing up, y'all, and it's still intact, surprisingly. But I think you can find this like at your local beauty store, Sally's, Walmart maybe. But I've had this since I was a child. But I prefer these when I'm slicking my hair or trying to get it to lay down in the front. Alright, for this part, I took out a piece of my hair to have like a little curl swirl on the side, and I'm just going to apply very little gel. I kind of combed through it first to make sure it wasn't tangled or anything, but you'll see me applying very little gel to it to get it a little, I guess, curly or more curls. And as you can see, I kind of pulled a little too much out the ponytail, so in a later clip you'll see me kind of twisting up the longer part of this and putting it around the ponytail because I pulled too much out. As you see now, I'm kind of realizing. And then for this side, I'm gonna do the same thing I did for the other side. I'm not really gonna talk too much on this part, but I'm doing the same thing I did for the other side. Yeah, so this is the clip right here I was talking about earlier, how I had to twirl or twist the extra sides, I guess, back in the ponytail, because one side was going to be longer than the other one. But as you can see right here, I'm kind of starting to feel myself, because why not, sis? And this is my favorite edge gels. It's by Mielle or Mielle. I don't know how you pronounce her name, but I use this. And if you're using it or want to be a first time user, I suggest not using so much, because once it does dry, it does get flaky and it leaves the white residue. So as you see me, I'm kind of doing small amounts in different sections. So when I do brush it, it kind of does still lay my edges down, as the other side was already laid down. And y'all, don't attack me too much. I'm not very good at laying edges. Most times I just go like, just flick it straight back. But as you can see, one side looked good and the other side didn't. Like, they're not matching today. But yeah, as you can tell, I'm getting my edges laid, and I do use my edge brush. People that don't have these also use toothbrush, like the very firm ones, and they were just as good. And that's about the end of this video. I kind of finished this hairstyle quicker than I thought, but as you can see, I'm feeling myself yet again, because why not, sis? But if y'all want to see more hairstyle tutorials or any kind of natural hair or hair videos period, let me know down below in the comment section, and also give this video a fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and also turn that post notification, because you do not want to miss when I upload again. And that's about it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video.